What's going on? Blizzard 2015. Let's rock on, alright? So I'm going to try to make this video right quick, and messed up twice now, so that kind of pissed me off, but I think I got everything under control. So let's see how this goes. I hope you enjoy it. Bear with me because I'm reading tabs for TV, so it's going to be a little tricky. Oh, and I gotta turn everything on. Oh my god. Good job. Alright, here we go. Scroll up. There we go. Alright. Speed up a little bit, buddy. Waiting on you here. There you are. On the scroll now. Doing the tabs too fast. everybody. Hope everyone's having a great night. Later.